Mexico's oldest panda, Shuan Shuan, has passed away. Shuan Shuan, who passed away at the age of 35, was living in the Chapultepec Zoo in Mexico City and has been the oldest panda who outlived most of pandas in the country. Mexican officials did not give out the reason of her death but said that she has outlived her friends almost by a time period of 15 years, which means she lived 15 years more than an average panda ever lives, and she died on her birthday. She had her favorite cake of dates and apples on her birthday, after which she died in peace. Shuan Shuan is the oldest panda to have ever lived outside China. Stay updated with me.